How to use your phone as a webcam in OBS. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your phone and go to the Play Store or App Store and then type in Irion. Let's get this. And what you have to do is download this same app on your computer as well. Just click the first link here. I'm using Windows, so let's install it for Windows. Just like that. Now let's just open this and open it in the app as well. In here it found the iPhone. Now I don't remember, oh here it is, back camera, front camera. And now you can see my face. Now the way you're going to be able to get this to OBS is by clicking the plus icon right here. Let's go to the video capture device, maybe it's there. And here it is, Irion webcam. Let me just get the face cam on. Face cam, front camera. Hello. And now you can see me. Let's click OK. And now you can choose where you want your face cam to be. So let's just exit out of this. And this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.